Well, folks, today I'm very excited because now we're going to open one of these boxes. Actually, I have two of them, but I'm going to divide this video into two. Also, I have some Yu Yu Hakusho PP cards as well. So, what we're trying to get here is these kinds of prism. Look at this. This is very old. I think this was around 1994, and as you can see, the prism is not really, it's already discolored, maybe because of the weather, or if you know these cards, if they are in the direct, with the direct sunlight or with direct heat, then it will have this kind of discoloration. But anyway, let's see what we can do here. Actually, we have two boxes. One box is the Dragon Ball series Super, that's 33 34 complete box, and the other one is Dragon Ball, where is it? Okay, that's Dragon Ball Broly. It doesn't show here because of the tape, but okay, let's go ahead and start. I'm very excited to open this. I have the 3736, or actually 3738, which have the gold cards. Let me show that for a minute. Oops, something's falling there. Sorry. I have the gold cards for the 37 and 38, which are these very beautiful babies. See? I bought like a ton of them just so that for my personal collection actually, and of course some of the old gold cards, but the 34 doesn't have any gold cards, but it has some prisms as well. I think it has 12 prisms. So let's go ahead and open the boxes. Sorry about that. Very excited. I think it went out in the market around what happened here? It's already open. Anyway, let's see what's inside. Okay, so many cartons. Okay, very nice. So this is the 33, 34, or what is this? No, this is the Broly box, sorry. So we open the Broly box first. See that? Dragon Ball Carddass complete. Actually, the first revival of the Dragon Ball series, the 31, 32, is very expensive nowadays. When it was actually put in the market around 2015 or 16, I think, and the first time that it went out, it was around 700 Hong Kong dollars, but now it's around 3,000. So look at that. Wait, see these very nice box with Goku and Vegeta. They are in their, what form is this? This is the Super Saiyajin Goto, the blue version. I don't know, they have so many hair color, you don't know. Anyway, wow, we have a very nice binder. As you can see that it's Broly, and this is I think it's Gogeta, the fusion combination of Goku and Vegeta. Okay, right out of the box Oh, so there's no, oh, what's this? The sleeves. Okay. So as we can see here, we have two prisms, two set of prisms with the white cards. They call it the white card. I don't know why. See that? It's very, very beautiful. So let's try to open one with the father of Goku, which is Braddock. I don't know his name. Braddock. Maybe. Actually, I'm not really a fan of the series, but I'm a fan of the cards because I'm a card kind of guy. So yeah, you can see, very nice. And we have Whis and Biru-sama eating some ice cream. And we have again Broly and Vegito or Gogeta, whichever. And we have the Super Saiyajin Goto, which is Vegeta. Very nice. And we have the Super Saiyan Blue Goku, side view. Okay, we have Frieza on his original form and one of the minions. I think it's his father, I don't know. Okay, so how many is that? Sorry, let me check. Maybe I'm losing some cards. Okay, so it's around 6 prisms per set. So the white card, if you want to see, okay, Vegeta, Broly versus Vegeta, Vegeta, Super Saiyan Goto, okay, Vegeta, I don't know if it's the final blast or what, Broly doing his ultimate form maybe, and we have Goku removing the clothes, Super Saiyan Goku, the first one, and we have Goku versus Broly with his Super Saiyan God form, the pink hair. I really like this hair. Okay, Goku again. Piccolo. Wow, Piccolo is really sweating. It means he's really, really afraid of Broly. And we have, wow, I like this one, Super Saiyajin Blue Goku. Okay, that's funny. Frieza and the father of Broly. I don't know what he did there, but I didn't watch the movie. Actually, this is a remake of the original version. The original version I watched as a kid was very, very different. I think they changed the story, but still, Broly's father is there, Vegeta's father is there, and then Broly and Vegeta in the past, and then Goku. Okay, I really like the green color of Broly. He seems like the ultimate badass. Okay, and these are the combination Super Saiyan Blue. Okay, why is Frieza here? I don't know. Anyway, I think this one is the fluke fusion. Whenever they made a mistake with the fusion, they will have this fat body Vegito. And we have the skinny bodied Vegeta or Gogeta, I don't know. Okay, and this is I think this is the perfect version. Okay, and then Frieza again, and Whis, and Gogeta, and Super Saiyan Broly. Broly being kicked in the gut, maybe, or I don't know, maybe in the balls. Okay, very nice. I like this one. And we have Brawly again. I don't know what's the difference between the green and the yellow hair. Maybe the green is the stronger version, but I really like the green. Hopefully Goku will have that someday. Okay. Very nice. I don't know this green girl. Maybe she's a Namek, maybe. I'm not sure. And we have Gogeta again. We have Shenron. Okay. Maybe they wished something for the Dragon Ball. Okay, Gogeta. The green girl again. Okay. Something's falling again. And this is Bulma's daughter, maybe? Okay, Broly and the girl. And then Goku with a very, very nice shot. Okay, so that's the end of the other set. Let's look at this one as well. Wait, let me get this. So I was really, really lucky to get this at a very, very cheap price. Maybe because of the quarantine nowadays, because of that virus, the coronavirus. Everything is very, very cheap in the stores right now. They're having their mega sale, and yeah, I bought this for cheap, so I'm very, very happy to have this collection. So without further ado, let's check the prism. Nice. Okay, we have the Gogeta simple version, or the original version, and then we have a very, very confused look on Brawly. Maybe something happened with his father, I don't know. And then we have a very, very angry version of Brawly. Look at that. Nice. And then we have Gogeta with the Super Saiyan Blue version. We have Frieza in his golden form. I think this is the stronger form. And then that's it. So the 6. Okay. And for the white card, okay, Vegeta's father, Frieza, Vegeta's father again, Broly's father when he's young, again, Broly when he's young, Frieza and Goku. No. Frieza and I think it's the father of Goku, or maybe not. Anyway, so there's a story actually. It's very, very nice. I think this is Goku. Very cute. He's crying, and the mother and father of Goku. It's like, actually there's a parallelism between Goku and Superman, because Superman, when his planet exploded,